Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD NEST. So in this video we are going to see how to use the design software Catia V5. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do click on the red button that is showing at the bottom right corner of the video. So without any delay, let us start the video.
Here also I have created a simple base feature. So in this video we are going to see what are all the stamps that are present in our Catia environment, and also let us see how to use them. So stamps are nothing but punches that are created on the sheet metal features. So let us see one by one how to use them. So the first one we are having is that is a surface stamp. So let us see how to create our surface stamp. For that we need a sketch. So let me go for sketch. On this feature, I'll be taking a sketch. So I'll be taking a simple rectangle over here. So like this, have to correct rectangle. We'll exit from the sketch. Then let us go for surface stamp. Go for surface stamp. And here it is asking for your profile. That is, here you can see it is asking for a profile. Select your profile. And here you'll be specifying your height and then radius point. So here I'll be giving the height as, say for example, 15 mm. Then now you can see a surface feature will be created like this. That is the stamp feature, and the circular stamp will be created like this. So now you can see. So this is what stamps are. So in the same way we have number of stamps. Let us see one by one. Then the next thing we are having is that is the bead. Let us see how to use the bead option. So we go for bead, and it requires a single line. So I'll be creating a line on this face. So I'll be taking like this, a simple line, exit from the sketch, go for bead option and select your sketch. So this is my sketch. So here you can see my bead feature will be created. Here I'll be specifying the radius, and also I'll be specifying your height. Here I'll be specifying as 6 right now, and if I give it as OK, now you can see your bead feature will be created like this. So under surface stamp, you'll be creating your profile, and then you'll be going for a stamp. Under bead options, you'll be getting a simple line, and then there you'll be creating your stamp. Then next we are having curved stamp. So in order to get a stamp, that is, in order to get a stamp in a curved manner, we go for curved stamp. For that, let us go for sketch. So here I'll be taking a simple curve. So with the help of curve option, that is arc option, I'll be taking a simple curve like this. Exit from the sketch, and then let us go for curved stamp. Select your profile, and here you can see, if I give it as OK, like this you will be getting your curved stamp, that is in the form of arc. So next we are having is lower options. Let us see how to use this lower options. For that I need a simple sketch. Here I have created a simple sketch already here. I will be choosing this itself. Let us see how to use the lower options. We will go for lower, and here I will be selecting my curve. So this is my profile, and it is asking for an opening line. So I will be selecting this as my opening line, and here you can specify the height. So I will be giving it as 10. Then go for preview. Now you can see the lower option has been created. So this type of features are created on the back door of your auto rickshaws. So for ventilation purposes, they will be providing a openings like this. Give it as OK. So now you can see your feature will be created like this. That is the lower option. The next we are having is bridge options. So for creating bridge, you not require any of the sketch. Bridge is nothing like a handle feature. Select the bridge, click on the face. Here will be specifying your width, angle, length, etc. So I'll be giving it as the height, we'll give it as 20, and the length I'll be giving it as say 20, and also width I'll be giving it as say 6 mm. Let us go for preview. Like this you'll be getting your bridge feature. You can see here, this will be like a handle feature, that's all. So like this we'll be creating your bridge feature. The next we are having is flanged hole. Let us see how to create a flanged hole. Let us go for flanged hole. and click on the face where you have to create your flanged hole, and I'll be giving a diameter say 15 mm. So now you can see a flanged hole will be created like this. So this height you can vary here. So I'll be giving it as 10. So now you can see your flanged hole will be created like this. Then the same way we are having one more feature, that is circular stamp. The main difference between circular stamp and flanged hole will be, so let us see what is the difference. So if I create a circular stamp here also I'll be giving the diameter as say 15. Give it as OK. Then now you can see under the flanged hole there will be a cutter, but under a circular stamp there will be a material. So this is what a major difference between flanged hole and a circular stamp. The next we are having a stiffening grip option. Let us see how to use this stiffening grip. Before that I'll be showing one more feature, that is dowel feature. Dowel is nothing but a bead shape. So let us see how to create this. Go for dowel, click on the point where you have to create your stamp, and here you will be specifying your diameter. Say I'll be giving it as 15 mm. Like this you will be getting your dowel option, that is the thing, but like a button shape you will be getting your stamp feature. The next, let us see how to use a stiffening grip. In order to add a stiffening grip, we should have a wall on edge. Let me create a wall. On this feature I will be creating a wall. Give it as OK. So here I am going to add a stiffening grip. Let us go for a stiffening grip and select a bend on this feature. I'll rotate my feature and I'll select the bend backwards. So here you can see your stiffening grip will be created like this. And here you can vary your length and then angle here. So I'll be giving my length as 100 mm, and also the radius also you can vary here. I'll be giving my radius as 5, radius 2 as 5, and also angle. Here it is taken the angle as 80 degree. If you give it as 90 degree, you will be getting a straight rib. Go for preview. Like this, you will be getting your stiffening rib. Go for OK. So this is nothing but stiffening. At the back side, you will be having a punch feature, and the front side will be having a stiffening rib. So this is how we'll be using stamps in sheet metal design environment. In the upcoming videos, let us see some more examples on how to create our sheet metal features. So this is all for now. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you.